क्या हुआ स्वासिक, इतना सैड क्यों है? यार क्या बताऊं, इंटर्नशिप ही नहीं लग रही। मैंने इतना ट्राई किया, हर जगह अप्लाई किया, कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा यार। अच्छा आ जाओ, मैं तेरे को सोल्यूशन बताता हूँ। क्या हुआ?
Hi, so we are presenting PrepNinja. This is the landing page. We've built it completely in React and we're using ShadCN for the elements. We've listed down all the features. Okay, let's click on start learning. So the first step is to either upload your resume for autofilling the whole form, or what you can do is fill out the onboarding form, enter your details. If you're a freshman, you don't have a resume. Okay. So I entered my resume and as you can see, it has been autofilled. You can just create learning path. Now this, you get an option to take your preferences. So I'll just select Microsoft and Apple. You can see what target role you want, how many years of experience you want, what your learning style preference is. Okay, now the processing has started and the learning path is being created. And once it is generated, you get a My Learning page where modules are formed. Okay, so this is what an article in the module would look like. You can click on next section, you can scroll through it all, and we've also added gamification. So once you complete these modules, you get points for them. So as you can see, the XP has been added for completing the article. And once you've completed the article, the quizzes get open. So they are logged till then. So you answer correctly, you get more XP. So this was all for the quiz. And this is what is happening right now. And we can also see progress tracking right here. Also, other modules have been formulated, and this is all based on your resume and curated specifically for you. The next is the assessment section. So what here you can do is have a conversational AI assessment directly. Okay, so I'll just go for a front-end interview practice session right now. So once you click on start interview.
Hello.
Hi.
Let's start with the interview.
Oh, yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Great to hear you're ready. Hey there. How's your day going so far?
It's going great, and I'm having a wonderful time.
That's awesome to hear. Can you tell me a bit about your background? For example, how did you get into front-end development?
I actually got into front-end development in my first year in college, and I've been trying to build applications that are full-scale and production-ready from the beginning.
That sounds like a really strong starting point. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. Let's begin with some questions about HTML. Could you explain the importance of semantic HTML elements? Why might they be used in HTML structure?
Yeah, I mean, they're using HTML so that we can make sure that the code runs perfectly without any errors, and semantics are very important. Okay, so that was all for the interview. Now you can go back. Finally, the progress section where real-time progress is happening. You get to see maps of your progress and past certificates, and also you get to see badges and streaks and certificates, which increase gamification. Okay, so now we'll demonstrate the call tutor feature, which is right there in the modules. It's okay. It's initiating the call right now. Okay, as you can see, I've received the call.
Have a trial account.
Hey, got a GSA coding now.
Yeah, could you tell me what complexity would be for a mode sort algorithm?
Absolutely. First sort of 2 key steps, dividing the array and merging these sorted halves. Not much by now, time complexity. 1.
Okay, yeah, that's all. Thank you. Okay, so we've used Vappy and Value for this, and that's all. Thank you.
Okay, so this is our homepage. We have 3 sections. This is non-technical interview, the technical interview, and the resume analyzer. So basically, you can upload your resume, and this is sent to the manager, which can analyze your resume and give out an ATS score, as you can see. It also tells you strengths and weaknesses and how you can improve your resume further. The second section is the technical interview preparation. The person can see your video. You basically choose your topic and your role you're applying for, your preferred programming language. Once you can start interview, and based on the topic you chose, the prompt goes to Gemini, which then creates a question based on the topic you chose. Basically, this is how it will come. Once you start interview, the question is loaded here and the ID is loaded here. If you want, you can also read question, which is not API as text to speech, and read out the question to you. There's also flags for, you can also see a live camera feed. It detects if your face is on screen or moving
Question
on
1.
screen.
Get a pre-order traversal sequence of a binary search tree BST that contains distinct integer values. Reconstruct the BST.